In a stride towards promoting gender equality in education, Equity Group Foundation conducted a Gender Champions training program, targeting teachers supporting the Elimu Scholarship and Wings to Fly scholarship programs. Teachers participated in the 2-day workshop, organized in collaboration with the Mastercard Foundation and the Ministry of Education.
We need to give equal treatment to boys and girls. So when you talk about boys, what are the roles that we associate to boys? What are the roles that we associate to girls? And then ask ourselves, does that affect access to education? Being gender champions in our schools is a very important and critical role, given that we have been given this role so that we can help vulnerable children from our community. And we want to thank the Equity, the Elimu, and all other organizations which are assisting our learners so that they can access education.
Representing Equity Group Foundation Executive Chairman Dr. James Mwangi, Stephen Mwaneki, the Equity Nairobi West Regional Manager, urged teachers to embrace gender-responsive teaching to ensure equal opportunities for boys and girls.
Your mentorship goes beyond the academic realm, positively influencing the personal and academic growth of our scholars. By breaking down gender barriers, you are paving way for a more inclusive and equitable future. Thank you for joining us today for this pivotal training session. Your presence speaks volumes about your dedication to the profound role you play in supporting your secondary school beneficiaries through the Wings to Fly and Elimu leadership programs. Your commitment to education is the bedrock of which dreams of our scholars are built. Today, I want to express my deepest gratitude for the impactful work all of you contributes.
Edwin Awings Oginjo, the Kasarani Sub-County Director of Education representing the Ministry of Education, expressed gratitude to Equity Group Foundation and the Mastercard Foundation for their scholarship and mentorship programs.
When you go back, create time and also sit down with your staff and let them know what you've learned from here. I didn't know that teachers have already been identified as gender champions and are being trained. This is a very good thing, and we hope that others will also copy what Equity is doing.
By promoting gender equality and empowering teachers as champions, Equity Group Foundation is paving the way for a more equitable future, where every student has the opportunity to thrive and reach their full potential.